Today's Business Standard and other newspapers have got reports that the wholesale price index, that is the price level at which wholesale markets gets goods, has dropped dramatically. In fact, there is a deflation of 3.25. What do I mean by deflation? Let's look. Welcome back to Be Rich. Deflation happens when the price of commodities falls below the previous price range. So, when compared to the same period last year to this year, wholesale prices of all commodities have dropped and have crashed below what was sold last year, and hence there is negative inflation, as such called as deflation. This is the first time in 4 years that India has had deflation. This deflation is at the wholesale level market. As I spoke to you recently, the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, is showing a different result at 9.28. The divergence between what is happening at the retail level and what is happening at the wholesale level clearly indicates there's a problem. The divergence is nearly 8.1% in terms of food. The primary cause for this divergence is the fact that supply chains have broken down. That is, that we have had a bumper rabi crop. There's plenty of vegetables and fruits. There's record harvest. But there is no way these harvests is coming from mandi to the final household. This means shortage of vegetable sellers, because during this pandemic, small vegetable sellers have gone home. Lack of operations of tempo and other small vehicles have meant that the goods have not moved from the wholesaler to the retailer and to the end user. And therefore, the price gap between what is available in the wholesale market and what was paid by the end user are two different things. And while the end user has paid a heavy price, having inflation of 9 point, in excess of 9%, the input price for the wholesalers dropped by 3%. Whether there was profiteering or whether there was loss due to spoilage of vegetables and fruits is something time will tell. But the fact remains, there is a bumper harvest. There's a lot of vegetables and fruits. The farmer who's grown that is not getting the correct price, nor is the end user reaping the benefits of falling prices. This is a classic paradox in all economics. What will Shaktikanta Das do? He is mandated to follow the CPI and cannot allow CPI to rise. But at the same time, the WPI is falling. So, to be or not to be is $1 million question. And the question in front of Shaktikanta Das is whether he cuts rates more or he does not cut rates. Tough question for him to answer. Let's see what he does. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I have a young team that works for me, and if you like my video, hit the like button and give us a thumbs up signal. I have a WhatsApp number given below. Those who are interested in buying my books may send their number. At the very end, if you like to contact me directly, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com.